Walang milk yan.
Sigurado ka?
Baka meron.
Kasi she's,
I like
okay,
down,
well,
I like down.
so this one, I got it. It's,
Okay.
magkano?
Walang milk.
For ano?
Ito yung 300 ma'am. 1,
Ito?
2, 3, 4. Bali 200 pala. 50 itong ganito.
Ha?
50 po yung ganito ma'am.
Kala ko 300.
Ito po yung maliliit lang po.
No?
Maliliit lang.
Itong ganito na lang pala. Para...
That's okay.
4, 5.
We are on vacation, Sam.
Once in a while.
That's right.
100, right?
1, 2, 50.
Ha?
5. 1, 2, 3.
Akala ko 3 for 100.
Ito lang yun ma'am. Maliit lang yun.
Oh.
Oh,
Go on.
So,
Next time you tell
sabi
them.
mo 300, ang isang,
Meron 300 ma'am. May 50.
Kaya nga, pero
so 100 ito. Ito.
100 din. Bali 250.
Hindi, 100 yan.
5 kayo lahat. Tag 50 po yun.
50 daw lahat yung price niya.
yeah.
Next time, tell the truth. May tatlong 100, merong 50 isa.
Yeah.
Para makapili kami.
Ikaw?
Kayo bumili, tawad muna.
Oo nga. Nagtawad nga eh.
Wala naman yung kasalanan ma'am eh.
Okay. Okay.
Okay ma'am. Thank you guys.
All of for what? Less than $1? No, over $1. $5. Okay, Annette. Good. We're eating ice cream.
Too bad man yung service is really good.
High pound.
Gusto niyo po mag-solo picture, ma'am? Group picture, then solo picture.
Kasi na.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Mm-hmm. Wow.
Kailangan, group picture.